that was taking all your weight. I saw this pulling back.
So it's basically
taking all of the reaction away from you.
Yeah.
So were you feeling it at all?
No.
In having to...
It's all, I could...
What's grabbing you here? Just how tight this is?
Yeah, it's the pressure here. There's guys that are just here the whole time, straight stream, and it's gonna get pretty taxing. So anything to kind of relieve that is gonna be beneficial. So not only during structure protection, hose lays, so, and you can't feel any pressure on the pack.
Does that feel uncomfortable?
No, not at all. So if you guys want to throw on a pack
and go up higher, like wouldn't it make more sense to have it up
I like to have it lower personally. It's going to be your preference, but I like to have it lower so that I know that if I need to dig in and dig deep, like to hike up, more of the pressure is going to be here, so it's going to be easier for me to move up versus here, because if you're spraying water too, it's going to want to push you back a little bit. Yeah,
you're using this as more of a high region.
Structure hose, same thing, kind of getting it on your hip.
Yeah.
Digging it into your elbow.
So if you want to try the pack on, or you guys feel more than welcome to. And
yeah, I might.
Yeah? Okay. We just drain the.
With the tool on, and then the third person is going to be your clamper. So that third person is going to have the tool on their pack. So if they're the last to drop all their hose, they're going to be pretty exhausted. But then they can pop up to the front and then connect to the tool, and it'll take a little less of that stress and off that person, so they can continue the hose. Actually, though, I mean, very little effort. Yeah. It takes a lot off your arms, off your legs, because if you're trying to push with your arms to pull the hose up, and then you're feeling it come back, it's kind of a... Yeah. Where now this is kind of a... It's almost like a... Well, it's biting on you. Yeah. I mean, so now it's more of leaning in. Yeah, just digging in. Which you're going to get to be your natural instinct. If you want to roll out more stupid hose, you have one hand free. Where you have a tool, or if you want to drop a drag, so to save a little bit of time, as soon as you clamp, you already pass it over and start to change it. So definitely pluses to it. Yeah, you don't feel that in your arms at all.
It's just like walking up a hill.
Yeah.